Hey friends, this is the HYCHIKA self-leveling cross-line laser leveler. It's a mouthful, but these are really cool little tools and it's actually super budget friendly. So what we're going to be doing on today's video is we're going to take a closer look at the tool. I'm going to show you how it works, and then we're going to look at a couple of projects that this would be perfect for around your house. Now the laser level actually comes with an attachment here. As you can see back here, there's some magnetic pieces, and this can actually be stuck to like a pole or another magnetic surface to really get things nice and settled in place. Now on the level itself here, you can see it's very, very basic. We have the tripod mount that's on the bottom here. Again, really nice feature to keep things nice and steady and centered. As you can see on the front, we have the laser level area, the crosshairs, and inside is the laser mechanism that, again, once you hit this button right here, will automatically level. We'll show you how that works here in just a second. Again, you have the on-off switch, lock or unlock, which makes things really, really nice, again, with just a single button. And then we have the power button on top to turn things on. So very, very simple to use, set up, and get going right out of the box. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of projects where you would use this on a routine basis. So I've got this blank piece of wall right here. Maybe we want to hang a little something, a little decor, and we want it to be nice and straight. Well, we can use this laser level to do that. So if you have a tripod, that works great, but as you can see, I'm just using a flat box on my kitchen table as my solid surface. So let's turn the laser on. Let's kick on the self leveler. And as you can see, I have a nice straight line to now take my decor piece, and we can hang it up here and basically get a nice straight line where we want the piece to be so that it's not crooked or not off, and we really can make sure everything is nice and level and centered. Now, another area where this could come in really, really handy is bathroom remodels. As you can see, our older shower here is in need of a nice remodel, and tiling work requires you to be really, really perfect in your leveling so that things line up and they look really nice. So as you can see with the laser level on, we now have a super clean line to follow with our tile work to make sure everything's lined up and nicely in a row. And again, this works with tongue and groove, with shiplap, with these building materials that again require an artistic touch to make sure things are lined up perfectly and look really good. So there you go, friends. Again, that is the Crossline self-leveling laser level. It's made by HYCHIKA, and it's a great little budget-friendly tool that I think really, really is gonna help make your projects a lot easier, especially when you need things to be nice and level. If you're interested in getting this little tool for yourself, you can grab it right here on Amazon. Hopefully this video has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us, and then subscribe, because we make a ton of these little tool review videos for things that you can find on Amazon to help make your life and your shopping journey just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.